In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an ad group or campaign in Google Ads. Whether you're aiming to efficiently manage your campaigns or experiment with different ad strategies, duplicating a campaign or ad group can save you a significant amount of time and effort, allowing you to replicate successful setups without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is the main hub for accessing all your campaigns and ad groups. Once you're there, locate the sign in button, usually at the top right corner. Click on it and log in using your Google Ads account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before moving forward. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home, where you'll see an overview of your advertising activity. On the left-hand side, find the navigation panel and click on the Campaigns tab. This section lists all your current campaigns and provides the tools to manage and monitor their performance effectively. Next, within the campaign section, click on Ad Groups in the navigation panel. This will display a list of all the ad groups under your selected campaign. Decide which ad group you'd like to duplicate. Once you've made your choice, select the ad group by clicking on it. You'll notice several options along the top of your screen. Click on the Edit button, where you'll find the option to duplicate your ad group. After clicking Edit, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Copy from this menu. This tells Google Ads to prepare this ad group for duplication. The next step is to paste the duplicated ad group. Navigate to where you want the copy to reside, either under the same campaign or a different one, depending on your objectives. Once you've chosen the location, click Paste, and a new ad group identical to the original will be created. Duplicating ad groups or campaigns in Google Ads is straightforward and can streamline your advertising efforts significantly. This function not only saves time, but also allows for easier experimentation, letting you test different strategies and variations without affecting your existing campaigns. You can try new targeting options, ad creatives, or bidding strategies in a safe environment, all while keeping your original setup intact. I hope you found these steps clear and simple to follow. You can revisit this guide anytime you need to duplicate ad groups or campaigns in Google Ads. Using this technique effectively can help you manage your campaigns more efficiently and scale your advertising efforts with minimal effort. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.